Theta cost in every practical sense, equivalent to $0.7703 a coin in an unpretentious manner. The present exchanged cost range, 0.7551, 0.7807, certainly is opposed to prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 0.7584 in an especially huge way. The change was plus 0.0119. Plus 1.57% in an unobtrusive way. Reverse rate, United States dollars to Theta in an especially significant way. Theta value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, Theta cost forecast on Thursday, July 20, cost $0.74, really greatest 0.79, truly least 0.69 in an unobtrusive way. Theta estimate on Friday, July 21, cost $0.75 in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.80 in every practical sense, least 0.70, so today's exchanged cost range, 0.7551 0.7807 in a significant way. Theta cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $0.72, sort of greatest 0.77, most certainly least 0.67. Which especially is genuinely critical. Theta estimate on Tuesday, July 25, cost $0.72, sort of greatest 0.77, kind of least 0.67, which in every practical sense, is very huge. In multi-week Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26, cost $0.70, sort of greatest 0.75, especially least 0.65, kind of additional appearance. How in multi-week Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost $0.70, really most extreme 0.75, least 0.65, which truly is very critical. Theta conjecture on Thursday, July 27, cost $0.77, by and large greatest 0.82, sort of least 0.72, which generally shows that today's exchanged cost range, 0.7551. 0.7807, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $0.78 in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.83, fundamentally least 0.73, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Theta figure on Monday, July 31, cost $0.80, especially most extreme 0.86 in every practical sense. Least 0.74 in an especially significant way. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.81, truly greatest 0.87, least 0.75 in an extremely significant way. In about 14 days Theta estimate on Wednesday, August 2, cost $0.81, most extreme 0.87, really least 0.75 in a truly significant way. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.81, truly greatest 0.87, really least 0.75, or so they sort of thought. Theta conjecture on Friday, August 4, cost $0.83, kind of greatest 0.89, genuinely least 0.77 in a genuinely significant way. Theta cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $0.80, lovely greatest 0.86, exceptionally least 0.74 in a genuinely significant way. Theta figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.76, extremely greatest 0.81, exceptionally least 0.71, which truly is very huge. In 3 weeks Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.76, for the most part greatest 0.81, kind of least 0.71 in an unobtrusive way. Theta estimate on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.77, by and large most extreme 0.82, really least 0.72, or so they truly thought. Theta cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $0.77, really greatest 0.82, especially least 0.72, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta conjecture on Monday, August 14, cost $0.81, genuinely greatest 0.87, exceptionally least 0.75 in an unobtrusive way. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.85, greatest 0.91, really least 0.79 in an unpretentious way. In about a month. Theta estimate on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.85 in every way that really matters, greatest 0.91, truly least 0.79, or so they basically thought. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.80, fundamentally most extreme 0.86, least 0.74 in a significant way. Theta conjecture on Friday, August 18, cost $0.81, genuinely most extreme 0.87, kind of least 0.75, or so they certainly thought. United States dollars to Theta today. United States dollars to Theta conversion scale commonly equivalent to 1.2982 coins per $1, which generally is very huge. Today's reach, 1.2809, 1.3243 in an unpretentious way. The past day's nearby, 1.3186. Which really shows that the past day's nearby, 1.3186, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Change for now 0.0204, 1.55% in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Theta cost gauge for, in the not so distant future, and month amazingly, dollar to Theta gauge on Thursday, July 20, cost 1.351 coins, especially greatest 1.449 in every practical sense. Least 1.266 in a really significant way. United States dollars to Theta forecast on Friday, July 21, cost 1.333 coins, certainly greatest 1.429, really least 1.250, which is very critical. Dollar to Theta gauge on Monday, July 24, cost 1.389 coins, truly greatest 1.493. Essentially least 1.299 in a huge way. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Tuesday, July 25, cost 1.389 coins, greatest 1.493, sort of least 1.299 in an especially significant manner. In multi-week dollar to Theta gauge on Wednesday, July 26, cost 1.429 coins, beautiful most extreme 1.538, truly least 1.333. Truly further appearance how Theta conjecture on Monday, July 31, cost $0.80, really greatest 0.86, certainly least 0.74 in an exceptionally significant way. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Thursday, July 27, cost 1.299 coins, especially most extreme 1.389. Truly least 1.220. Dollar to Theta conjecture on Friday, July 28, cost 1.282 coins, for the most part greatest 1.370, truly least 1.205. United States dollars to Theta expectation on Monday, July 31,